This is a completely functional, fully scaffolded React project built entirely by the Claude Code CLI right inside VS Code. If we check the terminal output here, you'll see it is not using the default Anthropic API. It is pulling directly from Nvidia's open-source Nemotron model. To set this up, we first need to intercept the official Claude command line interface and reroute its backend API. This allows us to bypass Anthropic's billing entirely. Before we begin, you need Node.js, a code editor like VS Code, and basic terminal navigation skills. Configuring this OpenRouter connection allows you to utilize these specific models within the Claude environment without paying for a monthly Anthropic subscription. First, open the official Anthropic documentation. Find the npm installation command block and copy it to your clipboard. Open your local terminal or PowerShell and paste that command to install the CLI package. Once the installation finishes, type Claude to run it. The app will immediately try to authenticate you through Anthropic's default cloud service. Do not log in. Close the terminal window the exact moment the browser login prompt appears. Interrupting the authentication process forces the CLI to generate its configuration files locally. We can now modify those files manually. Navigate to your user directory. Open the hidden .claude system folder. Right-click the settings.json file and open it in your code editor. Next, head over to the OpenRouter documentation page. Copy this specific JSON block containing the Anthropic base URL. Log into your OpenRouter dashboard and generate a new API key. Name it something clear, like free tier, to keep your workspace organized. Go to the models directory. Type free into the search bar to filter out the paid options. Find the Nvidia Nemotron model and click the icon to copy the provider and model string. You now have the three necessary coordinates, the base URL, the API token, and the model string. We will use these to hijack the default network path. Back in settings.json, paste the URL, your new API token, and the model string. Check syntax carefully. Every line except the last must end with a comma, or the application crashes on launch. This side-by-side comparison shows what happens if you forget to include the base URL field entirely. Without that base URL, the protection is stripped away. The application will silently revert to Anthropic servers and attempt to bill your credit card. Let's verify the routing is active. Create a completely empty folder, open it in VS Code, and launch a new project terminal. Type Claude to start the CLI. Review the startup logs. You should see it explicitly confirm a connection to the Nvidia model. Type /status in the prompt. This confirms that both the base URL and the model match the values in your settings file. OpenRouter restricts new accounts to 50 free requests. Once you view that cap, the system will pause and output an authorization error. To bypass this, go to an inbox generator like automail.io, create a temporary email, register a new OpenRouter account, and generate a fresh API key. Rotating your credentials with these addresses provides a way to reset your quota once the initial requests are exhausted. Having an AI handle project scaffolding through simple terminal commands automates the generation of your initial project files. Just remember to run that /status command whenever you switch project folders. It is a simple habit that ensures you never trigger accidental billing. From here, you can freely swap the model string in your configuration file to experiment with any of the other open-source models available on OpenRouter. Configuring your own API intercepts provides the technical flexibility to choose your own backend providers as you develop your software.